What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing these BC Racing coilovers in my Lexus IS300. As you can see, it's already on some coilovers, but they don't go as low as I would like them to. So because of that, I went ahead and I bought these BC Racing extreme low BR type coilovers. So these are the coilovers I ended up going with. I got the custom spring rates, so I got 14K in the front and 12K in the rear, I believe. But yeah, these are really nice coilovers for the price. I highly recommend them. I've had them on almost all my cars and they have never disappointed me. The build quality is amazing on them as well. Alright, so I just finished getting the rear coilovers in. Wasn't too bad. If you're doing this on your IS300, it's really easy. You just take that lower bolt out, and then the hub will drop, and then you just come up here. You will have to take a few clips out to bend this back, but then it's just 3 bolts up there, and then it just drops right out. You put the new one in. It's easy. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to the fronts after I put the wheels back on here. So I just got the front wheel off. There's the old stuff there. And for this side, or for the front, I have some more goodies too. These are JZX 100 control arms, which are a little shorter than the IS300 ones. So we will gain a little bit of more negative camber using these guys here. So this is the JZX100 arm, and then this is the stock IS300 arm. You can see this one is just the slightest bit shorter than this guy here, so that's why this one will give you some more camber. I just put this thing back on the ground and it's amazing. There's so much front camber. Those arms did a night and day difference. This is a very aggressive wheel for these cars. Before it was poking out like 2 to 2.5 inches, but now it's literally perfect fitment. Alright guys, I'm back. It's day 2. So yesterday I left off with getting all 4 coilovers installed and as well with the control arms. But today we're gonna be throwing the wheels on. I went ahead and I got tires put on these bad boys last night. And yeah, I'm gonna be using these Work 11Rs over my Meisters just because the front fit a lot more aggressive with these guys here. And with these new control arms, I'm gonna need some aggressive wheels so that the fitment actually looks decent. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, throw these on, and I am also gonna be adjusting all 4 coilovers today so that it sits nicely. Alright you guys, I just finished adjusting all the coilovers and it is sitting really nice. I have just enough gap between here. It won't scrape or rub. At least it shouldn't, we'll find out when I drive. But this thing is looking amazing. I adjusted the fronts as well. And that is a wrap for the coilover install on the IS300, guys.